Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the runtime and reviewing the error message line by line. This tells you where the block failed and why. Once you have the exact message, activate a clean environment or virtualenv that matches the project version and make a backup of your config and environment files. Make sure to record the failing file path and line number. Then run a minimal reproduction command to trigger the error again, so you have a controlled test case to iterate on. Now you isolate the offending code block and run it in the controlled environment. This exposes missing imports, wrong paths, or incompatible APIs. Once isolated, compare package versions, reinstall or pin the correct versions, and update import paths if necessary. Use the interpreter s-verbose or debug mode and step through with a debugger to inspect variable state. While doing this, make small edits and rerun the minimal test. Once your isolated fix works, run the full application or test suite to confirm no regressions. This ensures the patch integrates cleanly. Commit updated environment locks and a short note explaining the change so others can reproduce it. Make sure to push the backup config if you created one. If issues persist, bisect recent commits or revert to the last known good state and reapply changes incrementally to find the exact introducer. One tip: check for subtle path or environment variable differences between shells if problems continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.